Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. During this lockdown period, there is a golden opportunity to the nurses and various health professionals to join Central Police Force. This application is offline mode and dear candidate, if anything went wrong, you have to miss your opportunity. So please watch the video till the end. If you not subscribe our channel, please subscribe and press the bell button for the upcoming nursing vacancies. Let's go to the video. It is a detailed advertisement notice for paramedical staff exam 2020. The date of opening of application is today, that is 20th July 2020. Closing date of application is 31st August 2020. Date of return examination at 20th December 2020. Here, the staff nurse under the category of sub-inspector and the total vacancies are 175. The pay scale is level 6. The education qualifications required for this post are 12th passed and either BSc Nursing or GNM Nursing should be passed and registered as a nurse and midwife with the Central Nursing Council or State Nursing Council. The age is below 30 years. There are around 24 of posts here. We discuss only in staff nurse post. The vacancies can be increased or decreased according to the administrative reasons. First, physical standard. Height of male candidate 170 cm, female candidate 157 cm. In chest, male candidate 80 cm, minimum expansion 5 cm. Female candidate it not be applicable. Then relaxation in height and chest in scheduled tribes of all states have there. Then physical efficiency test. Race, long jump, high jump categories are there. In race for male, 1 mile race in 7 minutes 30 seconds for male and 800 meter race in 6 minutes for female. Long jump 10 feet 3 chances for male and 6 feet 3 chances for female. High jump 3 feet 3 chances for male and 2.5 feet 3 chances for female. Seats for male and female candidate proportionate to height and age as per medical standards. The examination centers are, there are 9 centers: New Delhi, Hyderabad, Guwahati, Jammu, Prayagraj, Ajmer, Nagpur, Muzaffarpur and Pallipuram. Examination fees: male candidate belongs to undeserved OBC category applying for recruitment are 200 rupees and candidate belongs to SC scheduled tribes and female candidate are not required to pay this. And fees may be sent through Indian postal orders and bank draft. How we can upload this recruitment? The duly filled application form with the photocopies and all relevant documents should be attached to the application. The name of the examination, that is Central Reserve Police Force Paramedical Staff Examination 2020, should be written on the top of the envelope. And candidates are advised to fill their personal mobile number and personal valid email ID to the application. And for more further verifications, the candidate should frequently visit the official site of CRPF for further update. The application sent on before 31st August 2020 at concerned address. The stage-wise recruitment program. First stage. First physical standard test, that is PST. That is, in this test, candidates check their weight, height, chest measurements, etc. The candidate who does not fulfill these criteria will be eliminated. During PST process, following documents will be screened. First, caste or category certificate, then education certificate, then age or date of birth certificate, then discharge certificate and experience certificate in relevant trade in case of ex-serviceman, then NOC in case of person servicing in government department from their head of office, and EWS certificate. Next, physical efficiency test, that is PET. In the test for female candidate, pregnancy at the time of PET will be considered as disqualification and pregnant female candidate shall be rejected at this stage. In stage 2 written examination, there are 100 questions carrying 1 mark each, 2 hours in 2 parts. First, A part, it should be 50 mark. General intelligence and reasoning 10 questions 1 mark each. General awareness 10 questions 1 mark each. Numerical aptitude 50 questions on 1 mark each. Stage 2 written test, that is the paper containing 100 questions of each carrying 1 mark and for 2 hours duration 2 part. First part 50 mark, second part 50 mark. First part 50 mark general intelligence and reasoning for 10 questions of 1 mark each. General awareness 10 questions of 1 mark each. Numerical aptitude 15 questions of 1 mark each. English Hindi comprehension 15 questions of 1 mark each. Then part B, it should be based on the eligibility criteria required for the particular trade and rank. For UR category, it should be 50% of total mark, and SC, ST, OBC candidate should be 45% of total mark. Then stage 3, it should be trade test and screening of documents. Then trade test will be on 20 marks and qualifying in nature. Detail of trade tests are under: first, practical test in concerned trades including handling of tools, that is 10 mark, knowledge about tools and equipments 5 mark, experience in 5 mark, total 20 mark. Then stage 4, that is medical examination. Eligible candidate will be called for medical examination and candidate will be declared either fit or unfit. The medical standards are based on the weight, height test measurements, and also the visual standard test have to be included in the medical standard test. The candidate who score more marks in total will be placed in the higher in merit. This pandemic, many states are joining to be locked down. So, dear candidate, don't work for the last moment for applying this post. Thank you.